How to buy Amazon gift card with PayPal. So first, all you have to do is simply log into your Amazon account. And then here on the search bar, you have to search for Amazon gift card. Okay, tap the very first one here. And then it will take you directly to this where you can see here under results Amazon e-gift card. So what you want to do is to select this one right here, and then after you tap this, and then it will take you to another page again. And then here you will see Amazon.com gift card design. So you can choose from any of this standard. We have also here animated. We have here your photo or video. If you want to attach or use your photo video, you can use it one. And then after you have chosen a gift card design, you can scroll down here and then enter your gift card details, which is also including the amount, delivery, okay, so to, from, message, quantity, and of course we have here delivery date. Okay, so once you have added the information here, which is indeed very important, now you can go to the option add to cart. Okay, so once you tap this add to cart here, you have to tap again this proceed to checkout. Okay, so here what you want to do is to enter your email address just in case you're not logged in. And then here we have options like choose a payment method for credit and debit card and payment plans and other payment methods. So what you want to do is to click this add a credit or a debit card. Now, if you are living like same in my country, you cannot let or you cannot or they won't allow you to pay using PayPal. So what you want to do here is to simply purchase a gift card or Amazon gift card, for example, that is worth, let's just say 2000. Okay. And then after that, what you want to do next is to simply select and then select PayPal as a payment method. After that, after you have selected that, you can enter here your card number, name of the card, and details that, of course, related to your card. And then after that, you can now click this add to cart, and that's how you pay or that's how you buy Amazon gift card with PayPal if you're using from. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.